The Maharashtra Navnirman Sena has refused to back down on Ae-Dil Hai Mushkil's release. MNS workers continue with their protest against Karan Johar, and this time the protests are in Nagpur. Despite the Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh's assurance to the producers of the film and to the Producers Guild in Maharashtra, they came to Delhi, they met the Union Home Minister, he's assured them of safety of release of the film, but Maharashtra Navnirman Sena remains defiant. And I want to quickly bring in India Today's Mayuresh Ganpate for the latest on the story. Mayuresh, the Home Minister assured the producers full protection and security of theatres. What is the MNS saying?
Certainly, MNS is adamant on their stance that they are not going to allow the release of this particular movie, despite the Karan Johar's apology, despite Karan Johar's appeal. They are not ready to buy that apology, not ready to buy that appeal. So MNS is quite adamant on the stance. Yesterday also we saw the South Mumbai unit of MNS did similar kind of protest in Metro Cinema. They handed over a letter which, to the management of the Metro Cinema and said that if you release this movie, if you allow the release of this movie, then you have to be responsible for the consequences which will happen. Also, MNS has given an on-camera threat to the producers as well as to the multiplex owner, and we saw that they clearly said that if you release this movie in multiplexes, there will be crackers, will burst the crackers in our own style before Diwali. So bursting crackers means everyone knows that the MNS style and how they vandalize everything.
Okay, so they're threatening vandalism. Stay with me for a moment. Let's listen in to Prashant Pawar of the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena. I'll come back to you for more. Let's listen in.
जो पाकिस्तान के कलाकार जो सिनेमा में है, वो कलाकार हमको यहाँ चलेंगे नहीं और वो पिक्चर यहाँ पे हम प्रदर्शित होने देंगे नहीं। इसलिए हमारा उसको विरोध है, क्योंकि आज हमारे भारत देश के जवान इस बॉर्डर पे जिनका ये दहशतवादियों ने, पाकिस्तानी सेना ने उनका जो कत्ल किया और जो शहीद हुए भारत के लिए, उनके खून की कसम करके हम लोग उनका कोई भी हालत में यहाँ पे सिनेमा प्रदर्शित नहीं होने देंगे।
Mayuresh Ganpate with me on this story. Mayuresh, what is the Mumbai police strategy? Because yesterday the Mumbai police did take all these cinema halls into account. They claim and they insist they will be able to provide security. But on ground, our cinema hall owners, whether it's single theatres or multiplexes, are they confident?
Certainly, we see that yesterday also Mumbai police took the immediate action after the MNS protested outside and near Metro Cinema under the prevention for the prevention custody. They took MNS workers from the South Mumbai unit. They detained them for some time. So certainly Mumbai police, as CP has assured the producers that there will be a release of Ae-Dil Hai Mushkil, at least in Mumbai. The Mumbai police is on their job. Mumbai police is on their tour to allow this smooth release.
Okay, 12 MNS workers were detained. Mayuresh, stay with me because the fate of filmmaker Karan Johar's Ae-Dil Hai Mushkil still hangs in balance. There was a meeting with the Mumbai Police Commissioner.